What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Sade, and I'm back with another video. Yes, I'm wearing the same outfit because I just did a Q&A. So after you're done watching this, make sure you guys go watch my Q&A and give that a thumbs up and give this one a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and you clicked on this, make sure you subscribe to my channel because we finna be lit. We finna be lit. As y'all can tell by the caption, your girl is getting ratchet. We finna be twerking, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, this is my ratchet / twerking playlist. Y'all, I used to be the one in the functions. I used to be that one. Y'all, we finna get lit. I'm so excited. Oh, I haven't been to a party in so long. So, excuse me for my ratchetness that I'm about to let y'all see. So let's get into it.
Pop your pussy like this. Pop your pussy like this. All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Do it.
And she wash my dishes, gotta wash my pimp, but I be going to. Just walk past me without trying to make a nasty.
Yeah, the man's last kid killing shit. Young money, yeah, we getting rich.
Got your grandma on my dick.
Girl, you know what it is. Rack City, bitch, rack City, bitch. On hundreds. Motherfucker, we got it sold. TTT raw when I walk in the door.
Okay, now, ladies. Yeah. This that Bay Area.
Shit to make your toes curl. Earthquake girl, cause I'm gonna rock your world. Had her tapping out play, shaking like a snow globe. Had her on the
Oh, baby. Y'all look at my face. I don't even know if y'all can tell. But bitch, I'm sweating. It's hot.
Now come take it from a chair. And she gon' shake it like a red nose. Like a red nose. Like a red nose. She gon' marry me.
What that shit say? I'm a sensei. All the Bay Area boys had a backpack like this.
And she gon' shake it like a red nose. Like a red nose. And she gon' shake it like a red nose. Right. Like a red nose. She gon' shake it like a red nose.
A lot of you girls can feel this song.
Girl, what's wrong? My man ain't shit. Girl, what's wrong? My man ain't shit. Girl, what's wrong? My man ain't shit. Why you won't leave him? Cause bitch, dick is mine.
The affiliates, nigga. Pay attention.
I was on the plane with the Wayne. You can call me Whitley. I go to hell, man. Give me my hanky. The mama, I'm cut.
Don't play with me. If you ugly bitch, please take a...
I done sweated out my hair. It's only been like 30 minutes, y'all, and I'm sweating.
Don't drop that thud.
Hey!
Don't drop that thud. Don't drop that thud. Don't drop that thud. Don't drop that thud.
Hey!
Don't drop that thud. Girl, let down. 3 pills down. That's on me.
And it wouldn't be a song if I didn't say yay!
Don't drop that thud.
Better at the club. Better at the club.
Come in the morning. Let's rock in the morning.
crib, I got it here. Then I give it up quick, I rob the bitch. I don't even call it rap. I'm just a saucy ass nigga, no condiments. All I wanna do is eat, I need a meal. Take your hand from your throat and get it mailed up.
Bitch, look at my motherfucking neck. She said, make one false move and get left. You was PC'd up with no right time. Shit. Look at my neck, blink, blah. Whoa, look at my neck, blink, blah.
Okay. Right now. Hit it with that right leg. I got that best stroker. I don't need no pipe.
She's a Taurus.
It's expensive. Well,
I'm a 40.
never paid for it, but I could explore.
Wobbly wobble, wobble, rockin'. Then I bought him a dashiki and bought his pussy open in the island of Waikiki. Supposed to slap it on my ass. Come and put your name on it.
My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun.
That's the kill. Who wanna go first? I had. This girl was telling me to chill. He's telling me to chill, but he look like that's a pill.
Yo, let's see if I can do the little.
We about to
Let's
get
see if I can.
Black biggie, black biggie, black. Finally, I can see you crystal clear.
I'm trying to function. Don't talk to me, bitch, if we ain't fucking. Yeah, I'm asshole.
Super McNasty.
Why you nigga loving
When the bitch call me daddy.
Ain't no patty. She wish she never had me. Treat her like a dog.
Keep it away.
DJ L-Will.
$H.
J.
H stands for hooligan.
I need that.
Dixie.
Screaming Papa, singing opera.
My nigga, is you serious? Now on to the next nigga.
I should probably keep though my aim's famous. My sidekick 3 pages ain't me. But how you getting home? Ain't me. I don't talk on the phone, just ain't me.
YG, which ones you like better? These Frankie B's or these Gucci's? Wait, which ones make my booty look good?
See you in the club at the dub I get.
Who's hot? Y'all, it's hot as hell. Ooh, no. Okay, that's how I be at the end of the party. When the lights turn on, I be like, whew, let's go. My crew, we out. But I hope you guys enjoyed my Ratchet / twerking play. Ooh, let's get this lighting right. Hello. I hope you guys enjoyed my Ratchet / twerking. Excuse me. Playlist. There's definitely gonna be a part 2. There might be a part 3. There might be a part 4 because I definitely left out some bangers. Don't worry, y'all. But the bitch is tired. I'm exhausted. I am out of breath. I need some water. Okay. Ladies, do not go to a function or to a party with a full face of makeup because you gonna be sweating. Your baby hairs is gonna be all over the place. You just gonna be looking a mess. So you know, maybe some brows and some mascara. Don't do eyelashes. If you do them like 5 minutes before you leave so they won't be hanging off. And if you got a weave, make sure, and you know you're gonna sweat out your leave out, either wrap it up, wear a hat, or do a little twisty twist, pin it back. Ooh, that rhyme. Wrap it up, wear a hat, twisty twist, pin it back. Hey, twist, twist, pin it back. Pin it back, pin it back. Oh, pin it back, pin it back. Oh. Don't wear jeans. If you're gonna wear jeans, wear some jean shorts like I did, and make sure you can move something in them. For all my little booty girls out there, wear leggings, t-shirt, dresses. If you're gonna wear a t-shirt dress, please wear Spanx under. We don't want to see your whole buku. That's not cute. Guys, I don't know if they do it anywhere else, but they do it out here in the Bay. Do not wear puff coats to the party. No, because it'd be hot. You see me, I'm sweating, I'm just in my room, so imagine 50,000 other people, and you got this puff coat on. please wear a polo or just a regular t-shirt and some jeans and call it a day. Thank you. What else is there? Make sure you guys hydrate yourself. You know, take a break. You don't want to, after you do a 30-minute twerk sesh, take a break. Relax. Wall sit for a little bit. I don't know. Don't go on the function musty. That go for both dudes and females. Don't go on the function musty because that's nasty and we don't want to be smelling y'all. It already smell like 8 cans of bounce that big ass. So, yeah. Don't go up in there musty. It already kind of smell like booty. We don't need your funk. That's out. No. Ooh. Do all that. Do all that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this playlist. I hope you got lit with me. I hope you was twerking up in your bedroom because, you know, that's where you gotta practice. And I hope you do have your backpacks or your pillows or something and you was working it because you gotta practice. You can't be out there looking a fool because that's not what we came here to do. We came here to show out, show up and show out, okay? But yeah, make sure you guys look out for a part 2 because I'm definitely gonna put some bangers and some more bangers on there, and I might have my friends here with me so we can get extra lit because, you know, I need some hype men. So yeah, make sure you guys look out for that part 2. It's gonna be lit. We're gonna be extra lit on the part 2. Maybe a part 3, and there might be a part 4. I don't know. But yeah, and make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you didn't already. And you already know how we do, and we do it in the bay, and we lit every day. Yay! All right, we out, y'all. Bye.
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through.